recap one learning from today's session, beginning with Chehak.
Today was a wake-up call for me that every student should apply whatever they have learned in their practical world as well.
Okay, and the punctures don't get, the tires don't get punctured. Prakash,
ऑडियंस को इंगेज करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
तभी प्रकाश फैलेगा.
I got to learn to keep a pleasant smile on your face every time.
Okay, thank you Anuji.
I learned about leadership skill,
What did you learn?
about leadership skill and people management.
Would you say thank you and sorry from here on?
Yeah, definitely.
Angita?
Always smile when you're presenting. It will boost your confidence.
So when you put the specs and saw that sheet, what was the biggest mistake?
That she didn't sign.
Sin sign. Make sure you review. Yes.
I learned कि feedback लेना और देना बहुत important है.
Incorrect. नीचे वाले दांत का क्या हुआ था? RCT. और ऊपर वाले का? Vital pulp therapy.
सर हम कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं सबके सामने टॉपिक्स.
Thank you कृष्णा.
लर्न करा कि कैसे इंडेक्स के थ्रू.
मैट क्रेडिट का तुम पहले से चैट जीपीटी आंसर लाए थे.
यस सर.
उसका भी बेनिफिट मिलेगा एडवांस
Yes,
टैक्स
sir.
कैलकुलेशन में.
सर लीडरशिप स्किल्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारी लाइफ में.
Okay, thank you Nikunj.
That discussions can always add up to knowledge.
So what's the fundamental difference between FII and DII?
That foreign institution gets investment from outside while domestic is within the country, home country.
Okay, thank you.
I think articulation is very important and how you structure every line that you speak makes a huge impact.
Okay, एडवांस टैक्स को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
Agree.
Thank you Agrim. She is still struggling with that though.
I have learned importance of thinking before we speak.
Very important Monica. Good point.
To be a good listener.
Okay, thank you.
Coordination is important while presenting with team.
Thank you and thank you for doing the speaker's role.
Interaction makes the session more interesting.
Aarti ji, thank you.
Get a life beyond owning the degree.
Thank you.
While making presentation, it is important to engage the audience.
Thank you.
I've learned how to present in a methodological manner.
Thank you Paritosh.
I've learned that communication का first step is hearing.
That's right. Thank you. Listening. Maika. Thank you.
Sheetal, we should always keep smiling while presenting anything.
Thank you.
So what I learned is like how to present yourself, how to present what you're thinking, and how to engage your audience.
You're good. You've done very well, Anmol. Very balanced throughout.
Voice modulation and reading is important to communicate better.
Thank you, Priyanka. So, what's the one standout of World Forum of Accountants?
What's
One thing that you learned about World Forum of Accountants?
it is being organized after a few days in December, and it will be a 3-day conference.
पंक्चर
Tire होता है.
टायर में होता है और श्रेणी
Tier.
Sir, I have learned the importance of reading topics apart from our academics and also using the projector.
Thank you.
So today I learned how to engage the audience in a better way.
Thank you, Soumya.
Today I learned to keep my point in front of others also rather than just to myself.
And modeling. Thank you,
We
Soumya.
should provide feedback to everyone, be it the audience or the speaker.
Thank you, Saurabh.
So we should be ready to take unexpected topics like today we have taken like that root canal. If we don't know anything, we should be ready to learn something new for it.
और मैथ बॉक्स का इस्तेमाल पूजा अर्चना के लिए भी होता है.
We should always try to engage the audience.
We should raise our hand and put our point of view forward.
Feedback very important.
So analyzing includes all the aspects. जब आप कुछ analyze करते हो तो आपको उसके बारे में वो चीज़ें पता चलती है जो आप सोचते directly नहीं सोच पाते.
That's right. Thank you, Deepshika.
सर माई टेक अवे फ्रॉम द क्लासेस कि अपने एकेडमिक से कुछ अलग ज़रूर सीखना चाहिए टू अपने आप को एंगेज रखना और कुछ नए सीखते रहने के लिए.
Life is our syllabus.
यस सर.
So in order to be a better communicator, we should know how to make things simple for the audience.
And had your name been Aman, this was a कुछ कुछ होता है cast. Thank you, Shubham.
Language should not be an issue and start your presentation must with a smile.
Thank you, Anjali ji, for very nice opening today.
Feedback is very important in communication and कुछ भी present करते टाइम आपकी भीड़ पीछे नहीं होनी चाहिए.
First person today to show good intent. Very good. Thank you, Rahul.
So analyzing things can boost yourself.
Thank you, Mang. Will you raise hand now for leadership role?
Yes, absolutely.
Sir, what I learned today is that you should at least be participative. If you will not participate, you're not going to improve.
So, if your leader ignores you, what could have you done differently?
At least I will try to participate in that.
Yeah, you
and,
could have said, excuse me, can I also estimate time for you? You could have said that. Yes.
Okay, if you don't know the answer, then don't look at there and there. You can ask to audience. Otherwise, you can say to that person कि I will tell you after some time. Right now, I don't know the answer.
15 दिसंबर की क्या विशेषता है?
एडवांस टैक्स जमा करना ही पड़ेगा अगर आपकी लाइबिलिटी बनती है तो।
और प्रिजम्पटिव वालों के लिए
नहीं, उनके लिए 15 मार्च है।
थैंक यू.
I have learned that feedback is the most important thing in an effective communication.
Thank you.
Now I believe health is the most important thing.
Thank you.
To be a good listener.
And to also take care of your throat. Pooja ji? Yes.
Always take initiative even if you are less confident about it.
Thank you, Vishu Paji. Now you will raise hand.
Don't afraid to take different topics. Just accept and go for it.
Sir, apart from mental and physical health, dental health is also.
That's true. So health includes physical health, mental health, dental health, right? So guys, in one line, the objective of chartered accountant is to ensure economic prosperity for every household. I sincerely hope and pray that you make it happen. All the best.
Thank you.